Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. Now today's recipe is something you may have heard of before but with a little bit of a twist. Today Amma will show us how you can reuse leftover aloo dum and turn it into a new dish which we are calling Aloo Dum Paratha. The cooking process is exactly the same as making traditional aloo paratha, except you will be replacing the boiled potatoes with aloo dum. For this recipe you will need 300 grams of wheat flour, 1.5 teaspoon of Chaat Masala, leftover aloo dum, salt as per your preference, water, and ghee. First off, let's make the dough. In a mixing bowl, add 300 grams of wheat flour and add some water and mix them together. Once you've formed a solid dough ball, cover it with a kitchen towel and let it set. In the meantime, let's prepare the aloo dum by adding 1.5 teaspoon of chaat masala and then some salt as per your preference, and then mash the potato. If you do not have chaat masala, you can add lemon juice and increase the salt to add a stronger salty and sour flavour. To make the aloo dum paratha, let's start off by making smaller balls of dough and then roll it into a medium palm-sized circle. Then fill the dough with the mashed aloo dum as demonstrated and wrap it up. Then roll out the aloo dum and dough which you have just wrapped into a bigger and more flat circle. You should preheat your pan during this process. Then place the rolled out dough and aloo dum on the preheated pan and let it cook on one side for a few minutes. Then rotate sides. Now rotate sides again and then get some ghee and spread it across one side. Then flip it over and apply some ghee, same as before. Continue to rotate it so that both sides are evenly cooked. Once you have a golden brown coloured paratha, you can slice it or leave it as it is and place on a plate to be served. Amma has served the Aloo Dum Paratha with some homemade murabba, yogurt, and some homemade Szechuan pepper chili. You can either dip the paratha with the sides and sauces of your choice or fill it with them to enjoy a burst of spicy, sweet and sour flavours. Lastly, thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!